I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. We have a very interesting application question here for you. It's a real life situation. The question has come in past test papers, and so I hope its practice will help you. A volleyball is bumped so that it just makes over 8-foot net. If the person hits the ball 2 feet from the ground when she is standing 8 feet from the net, how far from the other side of the net will the ball hit the ground? That's the question for you, right? So the scenario is something like this, that let's say that's the ground, right? And the person hits the ball from here, right? So this is 2 feet above the ground. And let's say the net is right there in the center, right? So net is, let's say, at the origin, and the person standing 10 feet from the center, right? And is 2 feet away. So this point will be, so the y value is 2 here. And we are given the net is 8 foot, so the maximum height is 8. We want to find what is this position, right? So this is what we want to find. You get the idea. Let me write this value as a, right? So you can think about the coordinate axis placed here to get the equation of the ball, right? So this is the point where we have the net. Just over the net, the ball goes. So I hope the scenario is clear to you, right? Now, since the vertex is at the y-intercept, what is going to be the equation of parabola? So the parabolic path, we could write minus because it's a parabola opening downwards, a times x squared plus 8, since the maximum is 8, right? To find the value of a, I could use this particular coordinate point, which is 10, 2, right? So the person is at the point 10 and the height is 2. You get the idea. Since it is given to us that ball is 2 feet from the ground, right? And the person is standing 10 feet from the net. So this is 10 feet. You get the idea. So that is how we get this point 10, 2. So let's substitute this point for x and y, 2 being the y value, right? Minus a, x being 10. Rearrange, so we get 2 minus 8 equals to minus 100a. So which is minus 6, right? And we are dividing by minus 100 to get the value of a, right? You could simplify, write this as 3 out of 50. No problems. So we get the equation of parabola, which is y equals to minus 3 over 50 x squared plus 8. Now the question is, how far from the other side of the net will the ball hit the ground? So now we are interested in finding this length. You get the idea. Hitting the ground means height will be 0. So equate 0 for the height and find the value of x. You get the idea? So let's rearrange. We get 3 over 50 x squared equals to 8. So now that means that x squared is 8 times 50 over 3, right? And x will be square root of that, right? Plus minus square root of 8 times 5, 40 means 400, right? Over 3. Makes sense? So which is 20 over square root 3. We can use the calculator and calculate this value, right? Let me do that. So we have 400 divided by 3 and square root of that. Gives us decimal value of 11.54. 11.55, I'm rounding, right? So this is 11.55 meters. So the ball will land 11.55 meters on the other side. So negative really means on the other side of the net, right? So our answer will be 11.55 meters on other side. Distances are measured in positive values, and therefore we are using the term other side. I hope it makes sense, right? Perfect. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.